You won't believe it, but this channel has gained over 332,000 subscribers in the last 3 months, pulling in a monthly revenue ranging from $1.5 thousand to $20,000. This TikTok account has also amassed over 640,000 subscribers and 18 million likes in less than 6 months. The interesting part, they may post on different platforms, but the content is the same. What would you rather videos? Curious to learn how to create these types of videos and potentially generate income? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Let's take a look at one of these shorts.
Eat only French fries for a month or eat only chicken nuggets for a month.
As you can see, these videos consist of a 2-color background with a border in the middle. Let's not forget the 2 images you must choose from and the percentage. Making each video manually would take a lot of time, so I'll show you some techniques on how to make the video editing process much easier. The first step involves generating the script, so head over to ChatGPT and enter the command. By the way, you can find all the commands below. After the AI generates the tables, you should ask to generate more on other topics. Now that you have your information, let's begin with the editing. Bulk creation is the next stage, and if you're not familiar with it, that's perfectly fine. I'll guide you through each step. To get started, visit Canva and initiate your Canva Pro free trial. After that, create a new design. Begin by dividing the screen into red and blue halves. To achieve this, create a square and tint it blue. Moving on, resize the image to half the size of the screen. Then, create a duplicate of the square and tint it red. Introduce another square shape and change the hue to black. Stretch it entirely to the right and left, adjusting its size to fill the center of the screen. Now, incorporate a circle and position it in the center. You can add now a cool symbol in the middle or your logo. To add a cool touch to the video, we'll incorporate some animations from Canva, and there are a few to choose from. For instance, you can try this one and adjust the speed of the pop-up. Now, let's get to the interesting part. Start by introducing a text field and fill it with the first category from our table. Duplicate it and do the same with the second text. Play around with the effects and fonts until you achieve a look you're satisfied with. Once you have your text in place, let's work on adjusting the timing. If you've been paying attention, the text should be displayed for about 5 seconds before revealing the percentage. So, stretch the video to around 6.3 seconds and reduce the text duration to 0.3 seconds. After you've done that, add the pop-up animation for both entering and exiting. After adjusting the timing, resize the text and leave around to seconds at the end for the percentage. Once you've done that, import the percentage you obtained from ChatGPT. Don't forget to apply the same effects and animations as the texts. Now, reduce the timing to the last seconds of the video. 2 seconds should be good. So you've got your first video, congratulations. Now let's make 50 more, but doing it all by yourself might take a little too long. I'll show you a method I use. First, you need the app Bulk Create. Click Enter Data manually, then input the data as I do. Right-click and select Connect Data, and connect the text to the right column. Click on continue and you'll get something like that. The videos look nice, but we can make them even better. Let's add some images that match the video content. I'll use Canva for this because you get the best quality there. Adjust the images and edit the timing. Add some cool animations, and you're good to go. I would also color the side that has a higher percentage in green. It looks nicer. Let me show you how to do the voiceover and add the music and the sound effects. To get started, open CapCut and import around 3 to 5 videos. Now we need a small phrase like "What would you rather eat? Pizza or burger?" Apply the same for the other videos, but for these, simply name the food without the "What would you rather eat" phrase. Next, we need some sound effects. While viewers are waiting for the answer, add a clock sound effect, which you can import from CapCut. For the percentage reveal, use another sound effect. I'll go with the ram bell effect. Now, all the pieces are together, and the only thing left is the background music. I'll leave a link in the description for the music. As always, you can see the whole video at the end of this video. Now, you're ready to start uploading and making money. If you need some tips on posting, I recommend checking out a video I made where I posted shorts on YouTube every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and of course, stay tuned for the next video. Until then, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
What would you rather eat, pizza or burger? Chocolate or vanilla? Pasta or rice? Coffee or tea?